Doing all these sessions on failure, I get to hear some of the most wonderful failure stories that are often hilarious. One of the ones I heard recently was someone said when they were quite young, they were working at a company and there was a woman, one of their co-workers was extremely negative. Everything was a complaint and a criticism and just a kind of a wet blanket on the whole vibe. So they were sending an email to their manager, or they thought was their manager, saying, that was the whole message, except they accidentally sent it straight to her. And she was sitting literally like 2 meters away and received the message instantly and just, you could see the tears were welling up. And so they went up to the woman and they said, can we have a talk? And immediately owned up to it and said, yeah, I sent this and your behavior I feel is really tough and I would really like it to change. And they had the tough conversation, which I think is great. Of course, the failure with the email, painful, but I think there's a lot of great learnings, right? It's a great gift to celebrate moving forward. Is maybe this is something you want to take off email, like not do it in person, speak to your manager, or dare to have that tough conversation face to face. And of course, double check your emails, right? I know that person now is extremely careful, not leaving the who they're sending it to the very end until they've actually written out the email. So, good learnings. I'm sure, has anyone out there had any email failures before? Leave a comment, let us know. Sometimes these stories are very amazing, and hey, we all have them.